Good morning, children. How are you? I think all are fine at your home. Is it? Yes. In previous class, we learned about how do animals eat, how they are eating, based on the food habit. How many types are there? What is that? These all are completed. Yes or no? Just once recall. In that lesson, we have discussed about what is herbivorous animal, what is carnivorous animal, what is detrivorous animal, what is omnivorous animal. And in that lesson, we have discussed about what is food chain, how we are depending upon another animal. These are completed in previous class. Today we will discuss about how animals are finding their food material, how animals are tracking the food material, how they are collecting food materials. Let us discuss. First one, finding food. What is that? Finding food. How they are finding their own food materials. Let us look there, Nana. Plants and animals are the main sources of food in our surrounding area. Of course, some plants also they are depending upon another plants. Some animals are depending upon animals and plants. Like us, animals also depending on their sources of getting food material. There is no food source. It is possible to finding the food materials. It is impossible. So every animal it have a one style of getting food material or finding food material. Is or no? Some animals, dog, it have own style. Squirrel, it have own style of finding food material. And we all are also, we have one particular style of the finding food materials. Like, such as a like, there are some animals, they are track down the food material. Tracking, that means tracking that food material. And some are collecting the food material. Some are grab or hunt that food material. Hunting. Okay? As this, various tools to finally take food into the animals. How they are finding the food materials, like such as like track. Some animals are track the food material. Some animals are hunting the food material, hunt, and some animals are collecting the food material. Some animals are collecting the food materials. Okay, these are the finding the food material. Okay, and second one, tracking down of the food material. Tracking. How they are tracking? How they are tracking the food material? Let us discuss. Look there here. Most animals they are fed regularly, but first they must look at the food material. Of course, we are eating daily, eating different type of food material. Before the eating, we are locating the food material. Where is it? Okay, in our on the dining table, how many varieties of food materials are there? We are tracking the food material. We are locating that food material. Where is it? Where is that biryani on the table? Where is that chicken on the table? Where is that curd on the table? That is the locating of the food material. Some as well as like if you take any animal, they are also locating that food materials. Where is that? Okay. To do this, they use a wide range of senses. With help of senses, they are finding the food material. That means tracking the food materials. With help of sense organs, they are tracking that food material. How it is? Look there, Nandu. Some animals, with help of smell, they are recognizing that food material. Exactly location. Where is it located? Okay? And with help of sight. With help of sight, that means sight it is nothing but vision. With help of vision, with help of sight, some animals are identifying, locating the food materials. Okay? And with help of hearing, some animals are recognizing that food material. Where is it located? Okay? And with help of taste, they are recognizing that food material. And with help of touch, some animals are recognizing or locating that food material. These are called tracking down of the food materials. Some animals' sense organs are highly developed. For example, eagle. And so far away, it is flying in the sky. But the sight, it is very, very, very developed. With help of sight, it is observing that where is that food material on the earth. When it is find out, automatically it will be catch that food material. That means the sense organs main important in tracking down of the food materials. In particular, in some animals. For example, smell. Look there. In your home, your mother preparing omelette or biryani. You are in study room. When she is preparing biryani, automatically the smell it will be spread in your surrounding room or your home. With help of smell, you are recognizing that food item name. That is also tracking down food materials. Yes or no? Yes. These are smell, sight, hearing, taste, and touch. Hearing, some hunting animals like lion. Okay? When some with help of sound, it will be observing that animal location. Okay, Nana? Yes. With help of taste, we are recognizing that food material. With help of touch, we are identifying that food material names. These are all called tracking down food materials. Okay? First, what we are doing? We are finding food material. Next, what will happen? Tracking down of the food material. Okay? Next one, collecting food. Look there, Nana, here. Tracking, look there. With the help of webs also. Some insects like spider. Okay? Spider. How it is collecting food material? Just think. Okay? Just think. I will explain. Okay? Next one, third one. Collecting food material. Collecting food material. After tracking that food material, those animals are collecting that food material. How they are collecting? How they are collecting that food material. Okay, many animals have specialized body parts. Some animals as mouth parts. With help of mouth parts, they are collecting food materials. Okay, that means with help of a hand, some animals with help of hand, with help of feet, they are collecting food material efficiently. Okay, for example, human being, with help of a hand, we are collecting food material. Okay, so for example, cow with help of mouth, it is collecting the food material. Yes or no? And lion with help of feet, it will be collecting the food material. They are hunting and they are collecting the food materials. With help of forehand, squirrel, it is connecting the food material. Okay, and what about birds? They are sucking the nectar with help of beak. With help of beak, they are collecting the food material. And what about butterfly? With help of trunk, they are sucking the nectar in the flower. Okay, look there now. Mouth, four hands, that means hands and feet, beak and trunk. Okay, these all are the organs. These organs are helpful in collecting food materials in several type of animals. Okay, and I said before that how spiders they are collecting food material with help of web. It will arranging one particular web. In this web, the food material are trapped. When it is trapped, automatically the spider it will be hunting that insect, trapped insects. That is collecting food, several type of spiders. Okay, okay. Now I will give one example, or I will ask one example. I will say that animal name. You should say how it is collecting that food material. Which body parts are helpful in collecting of food materials? Okay? Yes. For example, hen. How it is collecting? Which body part is helpful in collecting of food material? Beak. Yes or no? With help of beak, it is collecting that food material. Okay? And cow. How it is? With help of mouth. With help of mouth, it is collecting the food material. Okay? What about human mans? What about hands? With help of hands, they are collecting food material. With help of mouth, they are chewing that food material. Okay, we are collecting. How we are collecting? With help of our hand, we are collecting the food material. How we are eating? With help of teeth, we are eating the food material. Yes or no? Yes. Look there now. Lion. Lion. With help of hands. With help of four hands. Okay. With help of four hands. That means legs, four hands, and hind hands, hind limbs. Look there. With help of legs, they are with help of claws, and with help of legs, they are collecting that food material. With help of mouth, it is eating that food material. These are the examples of collecting food material. Okay? Yes. It is better to write few more examples. It is better to observe in your surrounding area. You can write many animals names and how they are collecting food material. Okay? Yes. Next one. How birds are collecting food material. How birds they are collecting food material. Okay? Already you know that. Hen it is one of the bird. With help of beak, With help of beak, they are collecting different type of food material. Look then, Nana, when we are observing many type of birds' beaks, they are different to each other. They are different to each other. Some birds' beaks are very sharp. Some birds' beaks are long. Some birds' beaks are bigger. Some birds' beaks are small. In this various type of beaks are there in the bloods. With help of beaks, they are collecting the food material and eating that food material. Okay. For example, sparrow. The sparrow beak, it is look like a short. For example, crane. The crane beak, it is look like a large. What is that variation? What is that variation? Based on the, look there, based on the collecting of food materials, the beaks are formed in that birds. The crane, it cannot eating any type of seeds, but the sparrow, it will be eating only seeds, different type of seeds. But the sparrow cannot eat any aquatic animals like fishes. That crane, it will be eating fishes. That is it is one of the adaptation. These are the one of the adaptation based on the climatic conditions, based on the availability of foods. The body parts are adapted to their own ecosystems. Okay, that is the main reason. Okay. With help of beak, birds are collecting that food material. Okay? Yes. And some birds like aquatic Siberian bird, it will be eating many type of fishes. They are catching, with help of beak, they are catching that fishes and they are eating. Okay, and parrot, with help of curved beak, it is eating that different type of food materials like fruits. Okay, sparrow also, with help of a small beak, it will be eating different type of food material. If you take any animal, any bird, with help of beak, they are eating food materials. Yes or no? Yes. Yeah. Next, how the frog is getting food material? Look there, Nana, yeah? When we are observe that frog tongue, look there, our tongue, it is attached to the oral cavity, end part of the oral cavity. Okay, our tongue, it is attached to the end part of the oral cavity. That is a human being. But in frog, tongue, it is attached to the front of the mouth, front part of the mouth. Okay, for example here, just imagine, these all are the oral cavity. Oral cavity is nothing but mouth. Okay, look there. Here a long tongue attached to the starting point of the mouth. When the food material available in near of the frog, automatically, look there, this tongue, it will be a jelly-like substance present on the frog tongue. Okay, it will be automatically, it will be spread, it will be catch that food material with the help of tongue. Okay, here. Okay, like. Okay, but we are eating that food material here, look like. Okay, with help of tongue, it will be capturing that food material. Capturing that food material. In this, these insects are get suck on that amphibians like frog. Okay, when it is that means the frog tongue, it will be trapping that food material. The trapped food material attached to the frog tongue. Okay, when it is comes inside the mouth with help of two jaws, the food material totally ruptured. Okay, automatically the frog, it will be swallowing the food material. That is a capturing of food material in frog. How we are getting? Okay. Yes. Next one. How does a cow get food material? How does cow gets food material? You know, the cow, it will be when the food material available in more in that surrounding area, and that time the cow, it is eating fastly with help of jaws, with help of upper teeth, with help of upper teeth, the cow, it is eating more food materials. It will store it in the stomach. The cow, it is consisting of two stomachs. The two stomachs are totally fulfilled with food materials. Okay. After resting time, okay, now after the resting time, the stored food material, it will comes in that mouth. Then it will be chewing that food material. In the resting time of the cow, the food material, it will comes reverse into the mouth, and that time the food material, the cow, it is chewing that food material. The process is called rumination process. Rumination process. Okay, rumination. Okay, that means after eating, after collecting the food materials, after sometimes they take food material back from the stomach to the mouth and chew it again. Again it is chewing that food material. The process is called rumination process. Okay, that is called rumination. The cows, they are getting food material with help of rumination process. Okay? Yes. Next, how dog gets its own food items? Just think and imagine in your surrounding area or your pets also, how they are getting food items. Okay, that means with help of sharp teeth, and tongue, the dogs are collecting food material. Yes or no? Yes. With help of sharp teeth, with help of tongue, the dogs are collecting food materials. Such as is like lion also, fox also, wolf also, tiger also, they are collecting same type. They are collecting food material same type. Like with help of sharp teeth, with help of tongue, they are collecting that food material. Okay. Yes. Next, lion. We are discussing about lion. The lion with help of sharp teeth, with help of tongue, they are collecting that food material. With help of strong legs, they are hunting that animal. After hunting that animal, with help of sharp teeth, they are collecting the food material. Okay? Yes. But what about rabbits, squirrels? With help of teeth, they are eating the food materials. Okay? Yes. Yeah. I will ask one question for you. Dog and human beings, they are getting same type of food materials. How they are getting? The dog With help of sharp teeth, with help of tongue, it is getting the food material. What about human being? With help of look there, yes, we are also with, for example, chicken piece, chicken leg piece. How we are getting? With help of sharp teeth, we are tearing that food material. So no, as usual like dog. Okay? Yes. Next. Yeah. Some animals, without hunting, they are getting food items. How they are getting food items? What is that? Okay? Yes, look there, Nana. It's a very interesting to watch how duck catches food material. Ducks, how they are catching that food material. Okay? Yes, ducks also they have teeth, but they don't like the teeth cow and lion like process. They are not useful gridding of food material. Gridding means chewing of food materials. They act on filter to the water. Okay, only filtration process. The teeth are helpful in filtration process or capturing of the food material or collecting of the food materials. Okay, that is without hunting they are collecting. For suppose the duck is living in that water. Okay, they are open their mouth, and suddenly the fishes are enter into the mouth. Automatically, it will be closing that mouth. That is a interesting collecting of food in duck. That is, it is one of the process. Okay. Yes. Next, and several type of animals they are collecting several type of food material with their own style. Okay, with their own style. Okay, Nana. Yes, these all are the collecting of food materials and finding of food materials, tracking down of the food materials. Okay, these all are helpful in eating of food material in various type of animals. Okay, children. Yes, as usual, like lizard, also already lizards, spider web. I said that spider web. Okay, yeah. Butterflies with help of tongue, it will be sticking to the sticking nectar to the flowers. Already I said, and lizard on the wall in our home. Already the lizards they are hunting the insects with help of tongue. These all are collecting food materials. Collecting food materials. Okay, children. Yes, with help of sense organs, they are tracking the food material. With help of hunting mechanism, with help of tracking mechanism, with help of collecting mechanism, they are finding the food material. With help of hunting process, with help of hunting and without hunting process, some animals are collecting food materials. These are today our topic. Okay, children? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.